Hi, my name is Sachin Shivnath. A project is warehouse management system. Coming to project background, a warehouse is a place where there are different types of products, items, and inventory, which is also has been managed for the proper flow of working. And most of the time, it is hard to manage the products in a warehouse, which led to a complete disaster and mess there at working place. For suppose one has to deliver an order, but unfortunately he could not find the product that he has to deliver because of mess in the warehouse. Therefore, to reduce these kind of risks in the warehouse, due to which company could bear a heavy loss, we are going through to design a warehouse management system. The product vision, as everyone have a vision in which in a warehouse management system, the product vision is very important and is the primary key of the project, which will also provide a system which will help to manage and keep track to the products that are stored in the warehouse. The system should also be able to handle the transactions that are connected and are the main part of this supply chain. Based on real-time information of the product's status and its corresponding storage location, the warehouse management system manages all the stocks that are inside it. For most of the businesses, it is very helpful and provide a significant efficiency for many businesses. Project methodology, as we know the agile methodology, which is of 6 steps, which comes under requirements, design, development, testing, deployment, and also review. As it works, in which, as we can see, as this diagram, we can see the supplier, customer, and the warehouse manage the warehouse manager and the sales manager. As we can see, the stock requested and then the stock delivered, in which the stock is inspected, and if there is any damage, and place the product in warehouse, stock updated in warehouse management. If the product is not damaged, this is the process. If the product is damaged, the product is to be returned and claim the damaged product. Then this process goes to warehouse sales manager. The purchase order will be received and check the stock level and is there any sufficient stock. If yes, pack goods, ship goods. If no, suggest change. Request of changing PO, and at last, after the order is completed, we can get the invoice. Easy diagram also places in 4 steps: supplier, customer, warehouse management, in which warehouse manager, the sales manager. The stock requested, the stock inspection, and the product is good. Place the product in the warehouse, and the stock updated in warehouse. If no, the product is returned and claim the damaged product. And also with the sales manager, the purchase order received, the stock level checkment, and then the sufficient stock. If yes, request pack goods. If not, suggest change. After the package request, we pack the goods, ship goods, and then after the order is completed, we get the invoice. Now the use case diagram. The administrator is the main role in this, which can go through, in which we have to go through the sign up, and then we have to log in and add employees, add products, view all products, delete products, add products, view all suppliers, which also generate reports, view reports, bill generation, view transactions, view stock and intake outgone, search for the products, and also locate the vice view products. Data flow diagram. You can see in this the customer, the product info and the status check, the product name, the order information, the product status, payment and the input data, purchasing info and the inventory and the bill handling, and also if there is an receipt details, if any issue, receipt, and then come back to customer. And the project milestones. The milestone the completion report. The phase of the concept has been completed and is also has been approved. Planning phase is pending and also completed. Testing completed. Demonstration is completed and the documentation is also completed. Thank you so much.